Subhanallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 5 of the Quran, in verse 3, a very well-known verse, a verse that we hear all the time. All the time we hear this verse. But do we really ponder and appreciate it? Well, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum. Couple points Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions here. That He has completed this deen. This Islam is perfect. Muslims are not perfect, but Islam is perfect. Allah has completed it. Al-yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum. He has completed this deen. He has perfected this Islam. He has perfected this way of Islam for us. Very interesting. Then He continues to say, وَأَتْمَمْتُ عَلَيْكُمْ نِعْمَتِي. And in addition, point number 2, this perfect way of life, Allah has established for us from amongst His bounties. Ni'mati, from His bounty. So it is a favor unto us that we are blessed with this Islam, this perfect way of life. وَرَضِيتُ لَكُمُ الْإِسْلَامَ دِينًا. And then Allah goes back again, technically, and says, and I have chosen this Islam for you. That's interesting. But unfortunately, what happens, even though we hear this, we are reminded of it, do we really appreciate this favor from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? This beautiful way of life, this Islamic way of life, this Quranic way of life, this Sunnah way of life that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has designed, completed, chosen as a ni'mah and as a favor upon us. That's the sad thing. We have always reminded ourselves that yes, a lot of people, mashallah, pray our salah, we give some of the zakat, we fast in Ramadan, we perform Hajj. But do we really live our entire life the Quranic way? That's where the real question is. Do we live our daily life? Is our lifestyle based on the Quran? We live our lifestyle based on culture, society, environment, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, we hold on to the basic certain things, mashallah, and we will be blessed, and whatever we do, Allah has promised the rewards. But Islam is more than just fasting, more than just praying salah. It's more than just giving zakat. It's more than just performing hajj. It's a way of life. How we do our business, how we eat, how we sleep, how we get married, when we get married, to whom we get married, how we live our life, how we relate with neighbors, how we relate to our qurba, our family, our relatives, our near ones, our dear ones. It's an entire lifestyle. See, but if you look into the Muslim world nowadays, most of the time we are Muslims in the masajid. Most of the times we are Muslims in the masajid. But when you see us in our businesses, our a'mal and our actions don't reflect Islam. Sometimes you see our lifestyle doesn't. So we don't appreciate this perfect way of life that Allah has chosen for us. We don't appreciate that. Because if we appreciate it, we will live it. We will follow it. We'll go the way Allah says to do.